NovaForm PVC Liner is developed for use in the rehabilitation of sewers and culverts and is available in sizes ranging from 6 inches to 30 inches in industry standard DR35 and DR41. The NovaForm PVC Liner installation process involves 5 key stages, and we're going to walk you through them. The first stage is preparing. For any lining technology, hose pipe preparation is the key to a successful installation. Typical pipeline conditions that must be remediated prior to lining include roots, large quantities of groundwater infiltration, collapsed pipe, and drop joints or offsets of more than 12.5 degrees. In applications where there is a constant flow of liquids and working surface applications, a bypass may be required. Always ensure worker safety through proper equipment setup and traffic control. First, you must position and set up both the boiler and the conditioning trailer containing the product reel at the upstream manhole. Then, start the boiler. Next, connect the steam hose from the boiler to the conditioning trailer. Then, install the shaping device and the rollers. And once this is all in place, position the winch on the downstream manhole. The second stage is the conditioning of the liner. Prior to pulling the NovaForm PVC liner into the existing hose pipe, it must be softened to allow the liner to be pulled from the shipping reel. This is typically accomplished by applying steam to the product stored in the conditioning trailer until heated thoroughly. Before conditioning the entire reel, you must first soften, fold, and strap the pipe end. This process reinforces the pipe end in preparation of the pulling stage. Next, place the prep pipe end inside the conditioning trailer and close the airtight doors. Then, open the steam valve to direct the steam into the conditioning trailer. During this process, adjust the valve to the desired steam pressure and temperature and continue heating with steam until the pipe is sufficiently conditioned for pulling. The third stage is the pulling of the liner. In order to process the NovaForm PVC liner, it must be pulled into place, which is typically accomplished by using a winch. A cable from the winch is fed from the downstream manhole to the upstream manhole and attached to the end of the NovaForm PVC liner. Using the winch, start to pull the liner from the reel into the manhole opening. Continue to pull the pipe through the roller and forming device. Once the liner enters the hose pipe by 2 to 3 feet, stop pulling. Adjust the height and width settings of the forming device to ensure the liner is free from any kinks and bends. Then, begin pulling while carefully monitoring the pulling speed. The NovaForm liner will be pulled through the hose pipe at a speed dependent upon field conditions and hose pipe material. Continue pulling until the pipe is pulled through the downstream manhole cover opening. The fourth stage is the processing. Starting on the downstream side, encapsulate the plug and liner in a tarp, then open the steam valve allowing the pipe end to be softened. Insert the plug into the softened pipe end and inflate. You should always install a safety device as a precaution. Stress relaxation will be accommodated from pipe available on the reel. Next, cut the liner from the reel above the manhole cover opening. Use the same process as the downstream pipe end to encapsulate the plug and liner in a tarp, then inflate to the recommended pressure. Next, fully open the downstream steam valve, which will soften the cooled liner by introducing steam from the upstream valve. Then, regulate pressure by adjusting the steam valve on the downstream side. The valve should remain open until the liner's skin temperature is optimal, which can be checked with an infrared temperature gun. Then, open the upstream air valve, introducing air into the line. This will slowly build up pressure until the pipe is fully expanded against the hose pipe. Continue passing air until the skin temperature of the liner cools sufficiently. Once this is all completed, you're ready to deflate and remove plugs from the pipe ends. The finishing stage involves trimming of the liner ends and the reinstatement of service connections. This step is performed with the aid of CCTV and robotic cutters and is common to many lining technologies. The result is a factory-made, quality-controlled, and tested to ASTM standards PVC pipe that is ready to provide a long service life. IPEX has been a leading manufacturer of PVC piping systems for more than 50 years and developing trenchless solutions for the past 20. We back everything we sell with in-field technical support throughout North America. NovaForm PVC Liner. The consistency you need, the durability you require, the peace of mind and support you want. No matter how you look at it, NovaForm PVC Liner is the pipe that fits.